guys, how you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Give or Lose It. I believe what is not given is lost, especially knowledge. So all the knowledge that I've been gathering up, learning guitar by myself as a self-taught guitarist. My job is a Latin dancer and Latin dance teacher. You can check my channel right here if you're a salsero, salsera, bachatero, bachatera. And today I'm going to be showing how to play with the fingers. You don't need to know tabs, you don't need to know notes. I'm just going to break it down, the full lesson. You heard it. If you like it in the beginning and you want to learn it, I think you can learn this in a day or memorize it in 2 days and play it and have fun. Now, let's get started. We're going to be holding an A minor 7. That's your middle finger on the 4th string, always counting from down up, guys. That's the last bass, by the way, on the 2nd fret. And your index goes on the 1st fret of the 2nd string. Now, your fingers go together. Pick the thumb along with the middle finger. Ding, dong, ding, dong, ding, dong, ding. So you pluck the strings. That's the 4th and the 2nd string with your thumb and your middle. And then you, without the bass, ding, go, middle index on the 2nd, 3rd. So practice that. I'm staying a little bit slow on this one. I know you want to see more, but it's because it's the basic pattern for the first part. You see how nice that flows? So let's see about the changes. The changes are easy. I'm not going to show the pattern. We know is gingo, 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 gingo. Okay? Every time we pass that, it's the A minor 7. Then it's completely open. Then I like to put either my middle badass finger and the ring finger on the 3rd fret on the same strings, by the way, on the 4th string on the 3rd fret, and on the 2nd string, counting from down up again, reminding you, on the 2nd string on the 3rd fret as well. But sometimes I like to put the ring and the index because now it's very easy to jump to the A minor 7. And that's first first part. Let's do it together now with the changes. A minor, open, next to each other, beginning. Now, to finish the first part, because that was the first part of the first part, so you would say 1A and now we're going to 1B. It's that's a little bit weird one. It's not hard to press, but you're going to change your picking pattern. It's going to be the same sound, dingo, 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 a little bit different, and you're going to be playing on the middle bass with your thumb, with your ring finger on the bottom string on the E string, the 1st string. But this time, instead of playing the right above it, you're going to be playing the 3rd treble string from down up. Confusing, eh? And then we have to continue this, going to the lower bass. No change though. So bass, the 5th string, 4th string. It's important to know to do these changes. Now I've done it without pressing anything, but you will do the first time just by putting the ring finger only on the 3rd fret of the 5th string, that's the middle bass, and you'll pluck your guitar like we did. 2 times. Then you're going to move only your index to the 1st string of the 1st fret, remove everything else, and change the bass and the same pattern on the treble. Now you're going to switch to these 3 fingers and to the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th string. So you see we change to this one because we don't need the ring finger anymore. A minor 7, pluck the 4th and the 2nd string. Now, if you've missed anything, just rewind it, guys. I think I broke it down very well. I apologize I don't have tabs. I've learned this as a beginner piece, I don't know, 15 years ago. and I just started remembering the melody, and I tried finding the video where I did it in 2009, I think. But even I had troubles getting through it, so I'm gonna do a better version of it. Hopefully with the HD camera, that will help you as well a little bit more. I will be able to zoom in into some details. Now, the second part, which is really fun, we're changing into the middle badass finger in the ring, plucking the two bottom strings together, and then with the index, the third string. And I like to also put my heel here to rest. Okay, so that's our pattern for the second part. So we've done part A, the first one, part B, the second one, and this is the second part. And we basically don't have many parts. You put your one index right in the first fret of the second string, 2 times there. Now this is a little bit toughy, but you're gonna do it. You're gonna put your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string and your index on the 1st fret of the 1st string. And then return back to the first one with one finger. And then again the second position. Okay, one more time. Index, 2 fingers, index, 2 fingers. Side note, what I might be doing in the beginning that sounded different is that I moved more back for this specific picking and I get more of a steel sound. Now let's finish this badass mother. We will switch here, don't worry, just put your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the 1st string and then just hop up 1 string with your index on the 1st fret of the 2nd string, then slide down and leave only your ring finger on the 3rd fret. Back to the previous shape. Shape a G chord, and now you see I move away from here. Instead of doing a steel sound, I move to this one. Now to finish it off, guys, that's it. It's only 2 pieces. You just repeat the first part. You slow down a little bit so you say it's the ending. And that's it, guys. I hope you like it. My explanation throughout the years becomes better because of your comments, and I'd like to thank you for making me a better guitarist and a better teacher. And if you like to support my work, there's a donation button for PayPal in the description. Or if you like a win-win situation, I have a beautiful fingerstyle ebook that shows you more than 25 fingerstyle pickings with audio examples, playing it slow and fast. Check for that link in the description. You will be helping yourself. It starts from the complete beginner with tabs, and it has notations, but also everything with tabs. And it goes for all the way to the advanced guitarist. So if you learn full songs as well in there, so you get to learn how to sing, you get to learn how to use chords, chord changes, exercises, what's the name of the fingers of the right and the left, etc., etc. So enough with the ad. Again, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you on the next one.